Hello. Do you ever wonder how some businesses are able to use their accounts to help them manage and improve profitability? In this short video, I'll give you an approach that will change how you think about your accounts and how you use your accounts. I'm Jim Cahill of Accounts Plus in Galway. I provide CFO or Financial Director services to engineering and construction companies. You may have heard of the idea of the feedback loop. Sometimes it's called the engineer's feedback loop. In Lean and in business improvement circles, it's called PDSA, and that gives you a much better idea of what it's about. PDSA stands for Plan, Do, Study, Act. When you're using PDSA, you start off by making a plan for what you want to achieve. That's the P for plan. Then you execute the plan or you carry out the plan. You do something, and that's the D for do. On the completion of your work, you study what happened. That's the S. In studying, you want to find out if you got the results that you expected to get, and if not, why not? And finally, armed with the knowledge and the learning that you've gained, you act. A for act, you take action. You can use the information to make changes, either in the plans that you're making, or else changes in how you're going to execute the plans or what you're doing. So you can see why it's called a feedback loop, and that by using this in your business, you can learn about what's working and what doesn't work, and you use that information to improve your profitability and to improve the overall success of the business. But you're probably asking, how does that tie back to accounts? This sounds like engineering stuff. Well, at the start of a financial period, usually a year, but it can be as little as 3 months and it can be as long as 3 years or 5 years, that's really up to you. At the start of an accounting period, you're going to create a financial plan for that period. And that's going to be the P for plan. I have a separate article in my blog about how to do that, how to create financial projections or a financial plan. So once you've got the plan, you start off by taking your action. You basically run the business. And that's the D, you're doing something. Next, you get your management accounts. And this is going to be the feedback from your business. You should think about your management accounts as the business giving you some feedback. And you study the management accounts, and that's your S. Now, I have another article in the blog about how to design your accounts to give you better information, to help you learn more about the business. And when you're studying your accounts, you're going to be asking questions like, did you get the results that you expected? Were your assumptions correct? If they weren't, why not? So by doing these, by asking these questions, you get a much better understanding of what's happening in your business. With that understanding, you start to make some decisions. You make decisions about the actions you need to take. You may make decisions about the assumptions that you had in your plan. But you make decisions which lead to actions, which is your A. And again, I have another article separately in the blog about improvement projects. So in order for this PDSA approach to work for your accounts, you're going to need regular and reliable management accounts. And those accounts should be designed to give you the analysis that you need to help you manage the business, to help you analyse the performance so that you can manage the business better. And that's actually the sort of work that I do. I help clients identify what they need from their accounts and then put in place the procedures that will give them that information and that will help them analyse the results and implement the improvement strategies that they develop out of that. Now, if you feel that would be of benefit to you, do feel free to contact me by phone 086 23 23 525 or else by email jim@accountsplus.ie, accountsplus.ie. I hope this short video was helpful, and thank you very much for watching.